Hey guys.
Hello.
Just checking in. So at this point we've made 8 videos. It's been 8 weeks since we started this thing, so just about 2 months. It's been, I guess, way more successful than I thought it would be. So we've really enjoyed bringing you sights and sounds of the island, as well as bringing you into our family to show kind of the experience that we've had. If you've enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, that way you can know and get alerted when we make a new video. And then make sure you always comment. Leave us some feedback. Let us know what you want to see, or if you just like what we're doing. Kind of helps motivate us to keep going and keep bringing you guys new content.
Thank you, guys.
Alright, so we're here at the coffin shop. We've got Brent here, who's the one who's working on the board. So what did we just do? We scuffed it up?
We roughed out a blank, roughed out our final shape. Next time we'll come in, we'll fine tune it, set the concaves, set the contours, turn the rails, and then we'll start glassing it, adding the color, adding the excitement to the board,
Oh, cool.
in my opinion.
So for people like me who have never surfed or anything like that, he's gonna make it look pretty.